Hey guys, it is Dave from Jack's Chrome, and today we are bringing back an old series with a little bit of a new twist today. We've done an unboxing series a couple years ago, probably almost 2 years ago now. We did a visor and we did a trucker stick squeegee, but today we've got something super special. Today we've got a RoadWorks air shock and airbag cover for the back of a Peterbilt 389 for a 36, 48, and 60-inch sleeper configuration. So this piece right here is a nice piece of stainless steel that goes on show trucks and other custom trucks. We sell quite a few of these here at the shop, and today we're going to do a little unboxing and show you some of the features of this really cool custom piece. So we hope you guys like this episode. This is something a little bit different. We're going to be getting more back into chrome here, but if you like custom trucks and chrome in general, or would like to learn more about it, just stay tuned and we'll get started here in a few. Thanks for watching. Welcome back from your little intro right there. Today we are opening up this little air shock and airbag cover box. It is a two-piece kit. There is a top piece and a bottom piece. That's why it's such a big box right here. These boxes that RoadWorks send us are very tough, but they're very hard to open. So we've already opened part of this, as you can see. It would take me like 5 minutes to open this whole thing. So a little bit more about the manufacturer. It's from RoadWorks Manufacturing, who is about 20 minutes that way from us. They're local here in Indiana. They make some great custom stainless steel stuff. This right here is actually a part number from their company. They make this all the time, but it is a custom piece that you would put on a custom truck. And we'll show you some more options from this earlier. Anyway, boxing wise, RoadWorks does a fantastic job of protecting their product with this very thick gauge cardboard here. We do label all of our stuff and put prices on it when we get our stuff in, so we know. But this stuff is really awesome just for protecting parts in general. So let's move this bad boy around real quick so you can kind of see this. I hope you guys can get this on camera. But this whole inside of this right here is already open. Like I told you, we already opened it earlier. We did a quick video on this earlier today. But as you can see, we put it back in here with all the bubble wrap on top of it, but this hard, very thick cardboard right here is protecting it on top of this bubble wrap that's around this piece, which is the big, large piece for the top for your shocks. And then there's another piece under this that's for your bag. So I guess we should just get started. Like I said, it's a two-piece kit, and this is the top piece. This right here covers the shocks that are on the back of your 36, 48, or 60-inch 63-inch sleeper, and this right here is all stainless steel, American made, American bent, literally 20 minutes from us right here. Let me get all this bubble wrap off of it real quick so you guys can take a quicker look. All right, there we go, we'll stand that up. As you can see, this one right here in particular is a little bit special. This one right here has four 4-inch rounds in the back of it, and it actually comes with the bezels with the product itself. So as you can see, you've got your 4-inch rounds right here. They've got their little grommets, their rubber grommets on them. These bezels go on top of these so you don't have to see these ugly black grommets on there. But how this mounts to a truck is it is the standard 2 bolts, I believe, that are on the outsides here. And then there are 5 screws that go in on the top of this piece right here. This goes into the actually sleeper of your truck. So if you're gonna modify your truck, your Peterbilt, your 389, just know that if you're going to put one of these on, you will be screwing through your bunk. And some people put rivets through these, not just screws to hold it in there, just also so it looks a little bit cleaner. But this piece right here is not going to just bolt on like a factory replacement or something like that. But it looks very cool. It's very easy to screw through. The sleeper there. It's not a big deal, and we do it all the time. So don't be afraid to do something like this. It's not too bad. So once again, let's get back on the product though. As you can see, let's go on the inside of it. We looked at the outside. Here, let me give you one more look right there, in case the camera angle didn't get enough for you. And we'll get some better B-roll of this if we can. But here's the back of it. Hopefully don't drop it off the side of the table. All of this is wired up pre you coming and getting this piece right here. So all of this is all protected. It's very well sealed. And they did a very nice job on the rear of this, keeping it clean, keeping it simple. Obviously your sleeper would go up flush here, so everything's got to be with inside the actual piece itself. And you can see it is polished right here. I don't want to take the tape off because this will probably end up on a customer's truck of some kind, but this is a very nice piece right here. I hope you guys can see this, but very, very nicely done on the inside by RoadWorks Manufacturing. A couple other things that you may want to know about this piece. They do come in a whole bunch of different light styles and light configurations. This is a pretty common one, the 4-inch rounds. They also have Millennium lights. They also have 2-inch rounds. They've got button lights, and they can also do cutouts in these, meaning like a cutout for a logo or a cutout for the name of your truck or whatever phrase you want to put on the back of your truck. Instead of doing something on top of your bunk, like a bunk art, you can do something in your shock and airbox cover. So this covers the shocks right here, which is obviously a little bit higher up on the truck itself, on the back of the sleeper. Let me put this to the side real quick. That's one piece of the 2-piece kit. I don't know if you guys can see that. Might be too far out of the ground or too far out of the shot. But here is all your hardware, which is included with the kit. You've got your bezels to put on your 4-inch rounds. And if you can see right there, those are your screws, which are provided that are gonna go into your bunk. Okay, very cool piece right there. Like I said, a lot of custom options, a lot of custom things you can do with that. Okay, next thing. This right here, which I have not opened yet, we just did the top piece. Let me get this big old box off of my space real quick. All right, so this right here is the second piece. And the second piece goes on your bags, which are obviously lower on your truck and on your sleeper. So they put enough bubble wrap around it, let me tell you that. Okay. This right here, this kit, which we are talking about right now on this video, is a 2-piece kit, and this is the extended version. So there is a normal version where this second piece right here, on the extended version versus the regular version, this piece right here, the actual light and shock box cover, is exactly the same. The only thing that changes on the extended version is the length of this second piece right here. So, get all this off. There we go. Trying to be kind of gentle with it because it may be going to a customer at some point. Anyway, so I hope you guys can see this. Let me pull this up here. This is quite long, and that's why this box is so huge. This is your second piece right here, and this is what covers up your bags. And also, since these are so big, obviously so wide, this will also go over your tanks as well. So this piece right here is actually going to cover your tanks. Not cover your tanks, but cover the little slot right there in between your frame and where the tanks are under your truck. There's a little kind of a gap right there in your sleeper. This right here will help cover that, give it a single line instead of having a whole bunch of different jagged stuff going on. So this extended piece goes out over the tanks. As you can see, it goes out a little bit longer, and that piece just looks a little bit nicer. So this is the base, what we call the base, which covers the bags itself. And then this right here is the top piece. Let me see if I can get this all on here to give you kind of a look of what this whole thing looks like together. So base piece, this right here is a notch for your frame. And obviously that right there is where you're gonna fit that in. And then this will go on top of this bad boy right here. Kind of like that. Hope this all fits. Okay. See, that's kind of a look. Let me straighten that out. It's gonna mess with my OCD a little bit. But let me give you guys a little quick look. Come back here. That's kind of what you're looking at right there. That's kind of what you're looking at. Let me pull this camera down a little bit, give you a little pan. Look at that. From one side to the other. Look at that. Okay. We'll just leave that camera down there a little bit so you guys can get a good angle of this piece right here. All right, so as you can see, this is gonna go on the back of your truck. Screws go right here in the back of your cab, which are provided. Bezels go on here. I'm gonna pull one of these bezels out so you guys can take a look. We can put one of these over that. Like so. I'll just leave it. I hope that doesn't fall. But you can see with the bezel on, it looks fantastic, obviously. We would peel this. All of this right here would have to be peeled. This is all their laser material to protect the metal. But this bezel, obviously there'd be 4 on there. And then this whole kit right here is one piece that you put all together. So this right here is our unboxing for the day. A couple other things. They do put Peterbilt logos in this. You can have a space made for it, but Peterbilt will have to provide the logo, but you can put a Peterbilt logo in here. You can put your logo in here for your trucking company or your truck or whatever you want to do, but highly customizable. This is a pretty general and common one that you'll find on a lot of trucks, but we wanted to show you guys something. Very, very cool piece, and you can find them on our website, jackschromeshop.com. I believe this one is about $450 for all of it, which I think is a great price for a single piece, two-piece kit of very, very nice stainless steel made right here in America. So a couple other things about these products. RoadWorks backs their products with a limited lifetime warranty, meaning if there's any kind of rust or any kind of functional problems with them, they will replace the whole thing for you, which I think is a great deal, especially on truck parts that get used quite a bit. They also, like I was saying earlier, are just about 20 minutes down the road from us. So their customer service is great, and you guys can talk to them anytime you want. And they do a lot of custom stuff, like I was saying. We like doing custom stuff here at Jack's Chrome because it's kind of our niche, whatever you want to say. But if you guys wanted a blank one, they also make those as well, just to cover up the back of your truck. So those are some of the options that you have on this air shock box cover piece. They do make this in a little bit higher quality stuff for some of the show trucks, and they also sand these for paint. A lot of guys want these sanded for paint to match the color of their truck, so it all looks like one piece and kind of a factory look on the back of their bunk. So that's about all the details that you need to know about this piece. We're gonna do some more unboxing of this kind. I have a lot of custom pieces that are coming in here at the shop over the next couple months, just for projects and other things, including our K100 project. So if you guys are interested in stuff like this, please stay tuned to the unboxing series. There will be more to come, including exhaust, deck plate. I've got some cool bumpers here already. I've got cool grills that I'm gonna be shipping out here soon, so I need to do a video on those. Visors, everything that you could possibly want, interior or exterior for a truck, we're gonna try to unbox for you on camera here. If you have any questions about these air shock boxes, please let us know. Obviously, these are pieces that we have here at the shop. And if you have any questions or you'd like to design your own style or design your own logo on the inside of it, we can put recessed LEDs in it and make it look really cool. So that's why you screw in your bezels. Anyway, very, very cool piece, and very excited to have RoadWorks on our team and working with them. So, hey guys, and thank you so much for watching the video. Again, this is our shock and airbox cover. This is the first of our unboxing series that we're bringing back here. We have a whole bunch of new custom stuff that will be coming along and on the channel in a video similar to this. But in the meantime, make sure you check out our website at jackschromeshop.com. We have a lot of parts similar to this one on there, including visors, grills, bumpers, exhaust, interior stuff, steering wheels, shifters, whatever you need, we've got it in there. And also, as many of you know, we've had our truck history shirts up there. There's the back of it right there. Our truck history shirts are quickly selling out. We got a second batch of them and they're already gonna sell out. And we have new Jack's Chrome Shop shirts that are on jackschromeshop.com that will be coming here before the end of November. And we'll be doing a sale on them, 15% off on Black Friday weekend, the 27th through the 30th of November. There will also be hoodies and ball caps on there as well. So if you guys wanna get your Jack's Chrome Shop merch cheap, go to jackschromeshop.com on the 27th through the 30th of November and get your Jack's Chrome Shop merch, truck history shirts, whatever you need. Other than that, that's the show. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We will have more custom content for big rig trucks on this channel coming here soon. Thanks so much for watching. And remember, if your rig don't shine, you don't know Jack.